So, homemade toaster. Toast bread in the jungle.
Jungle made toaster, man. No homemade.
Yes, man.
Jungle made toaster.
Toasted right here in the jungles of Belize. The steamer now. What I done the steam. You get steamy. Wow.
Now turn over.
That's it. Noodles with pigtail. Well, they usually say if you're not born, you're not done, right, Mr. Ricky?
Exactly.
I want Mr. Ricky to chill out.
Alright, yes.
Hi for the camera, Mr. Rick.
Alright.
Hammock. See?
River.
Creek side.
That's the creek.
Water the floor.
Yes.
Tent. A smoke from the campfire. Ready for hunt.
They eat one time
See?
because we get ready for go on mission.
Yes. Eat up. Getting ready. Check out the spot where we prepare for eat, watch the water. Done it up for boil.
Yes.
Alright. So till next time again.